Hey, Rebecca McGrain here, and I want to welcome you to today's tutorial for WordPress brought to you by Links Technology Development. And today's tutorial is on Organize Series. You're going to absolutely love it, so let's go ahead and get to your live site for your blog, and be sure to open up a Work tab for your administration side. And let's go ahead and get there. Put me on pause at any time that you need to, and then just come back and pick up step by step, okay? So let's start there with the admin login page. Alright, so now, once you're there, go ahead and type in your username and your password and strike the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Login button. Okay, so now we're inside, and let's go ahead on Plugins, click on Add New, and in the search box, type in Organize Series. Strike the Enter key or use the Search Plugins button. The very first result that you get should come up with Darren Ethier, E-T-H-I-E-R. If it doesn't, scroll down until you see his. The actual name is Organize Series. Go ahead and click Install. Okay, and now we're ready for the FTP login information. Now, if you don't have this information stored in your computer, get there again, pause me, go get it, and then come back because you're going to need your FTP username and password. Okay, so good. Let's go ahead and type that in and click the Proceed button. Now, WordPress is going to go through this process of unpacking and installing and then give you that wonderful happy message that Organize Series was successfully installed. Now, at this point, go ahead and click on Activate Plugin. And you'll notice that you have Organize Series and Organize Series Publisher. Organize Series is activated, and the Organize Series Publisher is not activated. So go ahead and click on the Publisher to activate it. Notice on the left-hand side in your post, now you have not only edit, add new categories and post tags, but you have the ability to manage series and publish series. But we're not ready for that just yet because we want to click on the Settings option for Organize Series. It's going to be really geeky stuff, so just go ahead and scroll all the way straight down to the bottom. Click Update Options. Now your plugin is ready to use. Now, in the event that you are more on the geeky side, or in the event that you have someone like Links Technology Development or another IT consulting or development firm helping you with your blog and with the technical aspects, as long as you have somebody who is familiar with HTML and CSS, they can help you customize this area, okay? Worst case scenario, if you do something a little off kilter, you can always click the Reset Options to Default, okay? Alright, so we've already done our updates. So let's go ahead and click on the left-hand side, Manage Series. And I'm going to create a new series, and I'm going to just call it Rockin' Tutorials. I'm going to give it RTUTES for the series slug. And I'm going to make it published so that each installment into the series publishes automatically. Alright? I don't have to go back and redo it. I like that. And I do want to do a series icon. Now, when you click where it says click here to add or change your series icon, it's going to come up with your media manager. If you use from computer, you're going to have to do a two-step process if you've not already installed or uploaded your image that you want to use. If you go through the media library and use an image that you've already uploaded, just simply click on Show, scroll to the bottom, and click Insert Post. And it'll show up. Now let's say that you wanted to use a picture that was not already uploaded into your media manager. You wanted to upload it from your computer. You would need to select the file, find which one you want it. Once it's uploaded, you'll notice that you do not have the Insert into Post option. Just simply click Save All Changes. Go to your media library. This is that two-step process. Click on the Show for the image that you want. And now you have your insert post. Here you have it. Click the Add Series button. And there's your series. Let's go ahead and throw a couple of posts in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's already on our home page so that we can immediately see some changes here. We have Sedvite Aku and Nam Keys. So let's go ahead and make Sed part of our series. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Rockin' Tutorials. And I want Sed to be part 2 of this particular series, so I'm going to click Update. I'm going to put a 2. I'm sorry. So I'm going to put a 2 in the series part. If you don't care about the order, you're just going to add your post in the order that you want them to appear in your series. Then you don't need to put anything into that box. I'm going to click Update. Go back to Edit. And add the Nam Keys. I forget my Latin. It's been so long ago. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, Rockin' Tutorials, and I want that to be number 1. Go back up, Update. Go back to Edit. And you'll notice also that I have a new filter option. I can filter by my tutorials, or by my series. There we go. I'm going to go back to my home page. I'm going to Control F5 to refresh and reload everything. And now I have, without changing the order on my home page, Sedvite is an option. Scrolling all the way down. There's my Nam Keys. But check this out. It tells me the entry is part 2 of 2. If I click on Rockin' Tutorials, my new series, and now it gives me part 1 first, so that I can read the series in order. Isn't this awesome? This is great. So this is an absolute must-have plugin. It's called Organize Series, and you see how easy it is to use and install. Go ahead and get it and have fun. This just totally rocks. That's it for today. You can obviously replay this anytime that you like. Just go to youtube.com/links_tdc. That's youtube.com LYNX_TDC. Or check it out also on my personal blog at RebeccaMcRae.com, and it's in my WordPress series.